Ikram, very rarely that we speak to you, but today we speak to you on a different platform where we're looking at the CAF Champions League. You're all kitted up and you're ready to go. How are your preparations, starting from the mental side of things and looking at the big task ahead of team of the century?
Good morning, gentlemen. Yeah, for us is to prepare well this week, and for us as a team is to focus on winning the game at home. And yeah, the team been doing well, and this week is been good for us so far. So we're looking forward to Saturday.
And this is the moments that you came here for, semi-finals of the Champions League against the most decorated team in this competition. I'm saying, are these the moments that you came here for, like playing in the semi-finals of the Champions League against one of the best teams in the world?
Yeah, I came to Sundowns actually to win trophies and to compete in every competition. And for a team as Sundowns, like they're always, every season winning trophies, like always coming far in the Champions League. So it's a good opportunity for the team.
Would you say this is the biggest game that you play so far at Sundowns since you joined?
Every game is a big game. Playing at Sundowns, especially even this weekend's game, is a big game because we need to go to the final.
How then do you snap out of the Kaizer Chiefs loss in the Nedbank Cup, losing yet another cup, but still having the CAF Champions League as well as the league to contest and contend on? How's the whole team taking that, and how do you guys use that to actually jump and probably motivate yourselves going into the next two cups and the matches?
Every match the motivation is still the same, the mood is still good in camp, and for us as a team we need to focus on like one game at a time, especially what happened the past weekend. So there's always an opportunity to play another cup, another league match. Whatever happens, things we cannot control, but yeah, we'll keep on pushing until the end.
What is it that has made you had like a smooth transition here at the club? Because it doesn't feel like you only joined here this season. It feels like you've been part of the family.
For me, it's all about hard work and getting help from my teammates. Especially, I know a lot of players. I've been playing with them at SuperSport. So yeah, for me it was a good opportunity for me coming here to Sundowns.
Reyners, just another question from me. Looking at Reyners coming from Cape Town, joining SuperSport, things not happening so well, goes back to Cape Town, comes back to Joburg, joins Sundowns, but then he starts banging goals like nobody's business. Just take us through that transition still on that. How did you get it right?
For me, it was all about hard work. The time I joined SuperSport, it was a bit difficult because they did not play me where I used to play before when I was at Stellenbosch. So things did not work out at SuperSport for me the way the coaches wanted to play. But with Coach Caetano, that believed in me, so he did always give me the opportunity also. Like when I moved back to Cape Town, I know Coach Steve know how to use me, and like for me it was a good opportunity going back also and doing good that side and getting a move back to Gauteng.
What's the best way to use it? We're talking about SuperSport, you want to use the best way. What is the best way to?
For me, is the best way to use me is a 9. That's the best way.
And when you look at, I was just looking at stats in the recent games. You guys are averaging 2 shots on target per game, and you've not been scoring too many in recent games. Is that a concern for you as an attacker?
Yeah, sometimes you feel disappointed if you don't score goals, but sometimes it happens also. But at least as the team is winning and some other guys is scoring goals, I'm still happy because it's helping the team win games.
And you've really improved ever since you've come to Sundowns. Can you maybe just take us through how exactly have you improved? Maybe just to look at certain players, is there certain analysis? How have you improved from a player that you were from Stellenbosch to Sundowns?
At Sundowns, you watch a lot of videos and the coach is always helping you improve your game, and they always give you instructions what to do, what they expect from the players. So it's good opportunity for me, and it's good they're helping me also improving my game.
Okay, just on the Stellenbosch matter, your home team, your former home team rather. They're in the CAF Confed Cup. You've seen Coach Steve. You know him very well. What do you make of what South African football finds itself in, particularly with Stellenbosch, a new team, young boys, new kid on the block, being where they are now, alongside Sundowns Pirates being mentioned in the same space?
For me, Stellenbosch has been a good team for over the past 4 seasons, I think, and I know what Coach Steve can do and what he can disappoint a lot of people, like by upsetting teams. He always gives his team the belief that they can win the games because they've been working hard during the week at Stellenbosch. So I just want to wish them good luck for the semi-finals, and I know they can go all the way to the finals.
And Ikram, how have you handled, you've had expectations since you were 16 when you broke into the scene, people expecting you to do things. How have you handled that from being thrust in the spotlight from a young age to where you find yourself now?
For me, it was all about focus and getting support from my family, especially. And yeah, I've been there like since a young age. So for me, I was just happy, looking forward and doing my best.
Thank you, gentlemen.